Class 7 NCERT Chapter 12 Question 8. Describe the various ways by which seeds are dispersed. So the solution is seeds and roots of plants are carried away by wind, water, and animals. Winged seeds such as those of drumstick and maple, light seeds of grasses, or hairy seeds of oak and hairy fruit of sunflower get blown off with the wind to far away places. Some seeds are dispersed by water. These fruits or seeds usually develop floating ability in the form of spongy or fibrous outer coat, as in coconut. Some seeds are dispersed by animals, especially spiny seeds with hooks which get attached to the bodies of animals and carried to distant places. Examples are xanthan, etc. The seeds are scattered far from the parent plant. This happens in the case of castor and blossom. That's it.